it actually could be something. Look at that! Isn't that like the holographic? Wow, this is so thin. Look at that. That's incredible. Here we also have a very cute illustrated booklet, instruction booklet. Here's Steph. Go check out her website and her social. Look how cute the presentation is. All right, I did not expect this to be this thing. That's incredible. Wow. This is thinner than anything that I've seen before, other than my fabric-based printed electronics.
Oh, this is... You feel like it's so fragile, but it's actually very strong. We have battery holders specifically designed for these LEDs. The cool thing about this is apparently this is a complete circuit already. So you can power this on without taking all the components off. So let's try that. Of course, the battery holder still has to be stiff. Is there a switch? I don't see one. I think that might be essential as a battery holder. I always prefer battery holders with switches. Oh, but look at this. We've got a bigger one too. This one has a switch. That's nice. Although I always prefer the coin cells because the coin cell batteries are smaller. Fresh new battery incoming. Wow! Look at that. Alright, some are not lighting up. Oh, gotta press down a bit. I think all of the... Oh, this is pretty! Mechanism like the lily pad. Is this intentional, the color? Oh my god, I did not expect these LEDs to change colors. This is so beautiful. I thought these were just single color LEDs, but look at that. This may make my project very interesting because I actually have been thinking about something very strange. Let's try. I'm doing something maybe I'm not supposed to do, but well, the battery is doing. But I just want to take the damage. It's not very high power, so let me just take this piece off. Okay. It's broken a little, but I think that's okay. So another cool thing about these, as seen in the instruction sheet, is that you can even put this on fabrics and sew the conductive thread as well as the electrodes. So I don't think punching a hole will be even a problem on this. This is genius. Any idea what I'm about to do? This is a fan. A very lightweight fan that can be turned on when you plug it into your computer or phone.
Here we are back to what I was thinking of doing. This looks ugly and it will probably not work. Okay, so now this is not short-circuited anymore. It's an experiment. Let's do this. What will happen? Whoa! This could work. LED display, even though it's not really showing anything, but it's really cool.